Hi, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to a very late intro of fishing with DYangBass. Today I have a very special guest. You guys see back there, boy John. You guys know who he is. It was early this morning. It was cold. It was frosting. Let's just say it was in the lower 20s to like maybe 17, 18 degrees. It was just a cold morning. I didn't want to shoot an intro in the morning because honestly, I didn't know where the fish were going to be located today. We had a nasty cold snap that came through, and I wanted to wait for the sun to warm up the water, warm up the surface water, and hopefully the fish will like turn on by then. As you guys see in these earlier clips here, we were catching a ton of walleyes, like non-stop action. Every drop, every cast, every drift, they were just pounding it, and they just would not let go of the flies. Enjoy this first session of this morning. We stopped and had lunch, and now we're back out again. It's a lot warmer now. It feels way better. It just feels so much better, and hopefully we can do some more talking, some more fishing, and breaking down what we're gonna do today. So with that being said, don't forget to check out his channel. It's John Yang, right? I think he changed it. It's something like that. It's John Yang. It's just his name on his YouTube channel. So simple. I'll leave the links down below. You go ahead and check it out. Check out his Instagram, his Facebook, and all that stuff. And yeah, hopefully you can find some big ones. We found all the small ones. Found all the males. So the goal here is to catch one keeper, right? Like what John mentioned this morning, just one 20-incher. We are set. So with that being said, I'll see you guys. We're already on the water, so stay tuned.
Yo,
have a good time.
It's going down.
Let's go. Oh yeah, that's a 10-pounder.
Walleye here. Second fish of the day or the morning.
My boy's getting full-blown oxygen, dude.
Another little walleye.
That's what we're here for. Okay.
Ooh, look at this one's pretty.
Yeah, look at the pattern on that thing.
Yeah.
Almost,
this one, guys.
almost looks like a sauger, y'all.
Yeah, this one's nice. On the purple.
Oh, I got one. This is right behind the boat, bro.
Right, this is the spot right here.
Yeah, right here. They just, jeez. Just weave through. Oh, he's pulling now. Nope, there he goes. Oh, a double, let's go!
Show the camera, bro. Yeah, damn, double up, guys.
That was the goal today. Oh, and it's a sauger, too.
Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Oh, I got one, dude.
It's funny as heck. Oh geez, chill, relax.
Let's go. We're out here.
I was like, why is it so heavy but it's small?
Walleye fishing.
Look at this.
With flies.
So one's
blurred, Dave. You just gotta stand back. It's
All right.
blurred. It doesn't autofocus.
Alright, one's a sauger, one's a walleye. See ya. Yeah, like I said, dude, the sun does everything.
Small ass window, they just bite.
There we go.
Smack down, bro.
Yep, putting the smack down on them. They're small, but it's fun. Still lots of fun. No complaints. Oh, I did double up. Look, it broke off. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna stop messing with this. Put out 8-pound. How the heck did you? Right, yeah, retie everything. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Strike is so fast.
You can talk because they won't hear me anyway, so you can do the talking whenever you're ready. Just freestyle.
Wait, what am I saying?
Just whatever, an update here, quick update.
Alright. Ready? Yep. Alright, so guys, so far so good. It's keeping us warm. We're catching a ton of shorts. Biggest one is what, 16 inches. John caught that in the video. Let me see if I can raise this one and show you guys what we're dealing with. It's a cold morning, you can say that. We got a little wind coming in here, but the fish are active. It's not bugging the fish at all, and they are munching, so that's a really good sign. So this is what we're dealing with. Nice healthy males right there, just right on the fly. All right, good male, active fish. eventually we'll find that big mama. So I'm gonna go back. So yeah, we're gonna keep trucking away and see what happens. There we go. Dude, they're all over here, bro. Gotta read through and see. There's a couple big ones in here. I have to go to 4. Ooh. Oh, might be decent.
No.
Let's see, right?
Might be on to something. Solid one.
It's getting better. Oh, let's see if I can read them.
Bigger one. We're getting close to 18
We're
inches.
getting closer, yeah. Look at that, fly's gone again. Dang.
Man, he swallowed that, y'all.
Yeah, it's like holding in
Wow.
his. Just
That's a really good sign, everyone. That means the fish are hungry.
Yeah, if they're hooking by the cheek or by the lip, then that means they're kind of like swiping at it.
Right.
But if they're inhaling it like this, you might have to retie once here and there. This dude had it the whole time. I was still jigging. I was like, what? Oh yeah, it's decent, bro. This is a decent fish. Should be okay. Yeah, it's decent. Nope, it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. He was just a good fighter. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, just cast it left you. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah, he's fighting hard. See if it's double. Damn, why is he not coming in?
Right,
Yeah. No, he's fighting hard. I think is there 2? Oh, there's 2. Oh, let's go.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I don't know, why is he fighting really hard, dude? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. I'm like, it feels small, but it's fighting. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not complaining at all. It's super fun. Man, they're just inhaling these flies.
If it's not a big one, then there's most likely 2 of them.
Yeah, it's 2 of them, yeah. There goes 1 and 2. These fish are so healthy. On?
Oh my god.
Non-stop. Dude, he's a small guy. Yeah, just a bunch of little ones.
How much is those cold with remote control? Here, right by the boat here. Get up.
Oh, is that me?
No.
Oh, dude, I had a fish on. I thought it was you. I got one. Oh, this is nice, dude.
Let's go. Let's go.
Dude, this is actually a nice one.
18 plus.
Relax, chill.
Non-stop.
Yeah, all day, bro. As I tell you, man, you find that right spot, that right juice, all day. Got one. Oh my gosh. I got one. Yeah. Oh, dude, this is actually nice. Get the net, get the net, get the net. Yeah. Yep. It's a nice one, bro. I don't know, dude. Oh, I got it. Never mind. It came off. You just fighting really hard in the current. Oh. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Dude, they're inhaling my fly, dude. It's crazy. Dude, this guy falls so hard. That was a big fish. Got one.
No way.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro.
That's a nice one, too. Look. Whoa.
Fix this.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And my battery done. Look at that, bro. Much better fish.
Yep.
So look at the sauger on this. Look how it flares out. Look at the gill on the purple fly. Look how beautiful. Look at the spots on that thing. If it's wet, make sure you wet the board first. But here we got 16 and a half, almost 17 right there.
Do you pinch the tail?
Yes, you do. You can pinch it or you can slide it back and forward just like that, right? But pinching it determines the total length from the face, from the snout to tail like that, okay? A lot of guys will take the measuring tape and go right over on top. No, make sure you guys fold it like that. 16 and a half, going back. It's a nice fish. Just too many close.
Well, dude, I'm like, oh,
I
man,
got you.
I'm not gonna sort these out.
Yep, stay on that side so the light. That's a nice one, dude.
It's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, keep it up
This
high.
one feels really nice, dude. And it's more of a bite. I don't think it's a snag.
No, it's a bite.
Yeah.
Keep him on, dude. Keep him on. It might be our only keeper today.
Dude.
It might be our 20.
See you guys.
That might be our 20. Yo, watch that tree. Yeah, the ones up here, they fight a little harder.
He's a fighter.
It's a nice one.
Yeah.
Or he's just weak.
Yeah, or I'm just out of shape, bruh.
Yeah, just out of shape.
It feels like a walleye, dude.
Yeah, it's a walleye. Yeah.
It feels heavier, but
No, that's a good one. He's not even surfacing.
see, it could be double.
You better hurry up, bro,
Sorry,
before you
sir.
shake it off.
Double.
You got a nice one.
Yeah, doing it. Yeah, it's pretty long though. Oh, biggest one of the
That's
day for
big,
you.
dude.
Yeah, dude.
Good job.
Yo.
That's what we're gonna rely on. Oh, got one, John. That's a nice fish. Oh, I think Kona got through. No. Oh, bro, he snagged himself because he missed. Oh, it's not big. He snagged himself. That's why. Oh, he's pretty decent. Look. Chill, relax. Ah, goodness, buddy. Jeez. Are you done? I know it's that time of the month, but man, look how nice that fish is, dude. John, I'm on.
No?
Yep. I don't know. They all feel solid at this point. Oh, decent.
Ooh,
Look how dark it is.
Sauger, dude, that's tight.
Look at him.
Dude, I know, I called one before. That's beastie, dude. That's a picture worthy with Black Panther, dude.
Yep.
Black Panther. Dude's a giant goldie.
Right. Sauger right here. These are the obvious one. You see how like it's cow spotted? It's pretty darn cool. The hybrids, they're a bit taller and they look just like a walleye, but like light spots. These are here. You can tell. Look at them. Yeah.
I thought it was a giant goby.
Yeah. And these you can tell they're saugers for sure. It's getting later in the day, so they're definitely changing up. Yep. All right.
Hey.
Oh. Sitting down too, bro. Right by the boat. Oh, dude, it's actually pulling really hard. Gosh. Get over here. Let's go. Oh my goodness, look at this fish. So pretty. Ah, he bit my finger. My hair is getting extremely long, and I think I have an idea what I want to do with it. So, yeah. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta stop doing these. Like, I'll wait till I get back home to do a closure. I mean, we stayed out pretty late. After we got done loading the boat and everything, it was already like dark. And you guys know that I don't like shooting outros at night because it's kind of pointless. You guys don't see anything. I can't really talk to you guys. I can't really like break down anything because, you know, I gotta go home. So recap of what we were doing. Basically, we were fishing in like deep pools in like 10 to 15 feet of water. But when you're on the boat, you basically just cast right behind the boat and you just twitch it in place or just hop it, and every inch or so just hop it back to the boat, wait at least 2, 3, 4 seconds and then pop it back. That's when we got our most committed bites, was when we were basically dead staking the fly, even though the fly wasn't dead staking because the current was fluttering the fly. That was the technique that we were doing. The water is rising a little bit, it's getting a little deeper, so it's gonna force these fish to spread out like across the river, which is a good thing because then you can catch them from shore too. You do not need a boat to catch walleyes. Okay, you can fish it from shore. I've done many shore fishing spots for you guys. It's all public. Go out there, take your family, your friends out, and have a good time. You're gonna catch some flies, drift some minnows, sink some minnows, throw plastic grubs, green grubs, white grubs, sunbait, stuff like that. But yeah, it's a long outro. I'm done talking. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys out on the water very soon. I got one coming for you guys. Stay tuned.